मिरामार अडकल्ले MV लकी 7 काझिनो वेसलाच्या प्रकरणात अजून FIR कित्याक जाल्लो ना काय म्हण काँग्रेसीन प्रश्न केला। पुलिसांनी ताजी जाप दिवची म्हण काँग्रेस मागता। लकी 7 बोटीक लागून जाल्ले प्रदूषण आयोग तपासपाक लावचे म्हण काँग्रेस केंद्रीय पर्यावरण मंत्र्याक पत्र बरयतली। पणजे आनी वाळपय दोनूय कडेन खंय काँग्रेस कॅन्डिडेट जिखतात।
Despite of serious criminal negligence in this regard, why no FIR has been filed so far? Let government explain. Maybe perhaps if they file FIR, apart from the owners of the ship, they have to file an FIR against abater also. Now it is the duty of police also to mention, to tell us why FIR has not been filed. Next tomorrow I will write a letter to see Harshvardhan, Union Minister of Environment and Forest, on this issue. And I will demand that they should request the NIO to take test of the waters of Mandavi.
मार्जिन आम्ही सांगू शकना कशी म्हणून पण जिखता हे शुअर आमकीच मार्जिन तमकीच मार्जिन तशी म्हणपा नाका पण जिखता हे दोन्ही कडेन दोन्ही शिटा आमची काँग्रेसची जिखता हे दिसती पडटा। लोकांचे फोन्स येतात ज्या लोकां कडेन आमी उलयतात त्या लोक जे म्हणटा ना आमी विचार केल्लो आसा मला आमी ह्या फावटी आमी काँग्रेसी वाडले आसतले हे पण काँग्रेस जिखता आसता दोन्ही कडेन।
इतले मजगती काँग्रेसीन आयतारा सद्भावना दीस मनयलो। सर्गेस्त प्रधानमंत्री राजीव गांधीचे जयंती निमतान सद्भावना दिन जाता।
दोन गोष्टी हांव सांगू शकता की जाणे 36 legislation 36 legislation were enacted during his regime. तातूंतले हांव दोनूच आज ह्या वेळार उल्लेख करता। एक एनवायरमेंट प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट आनी एक कंज्युमर प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट। दुसरें आज जो एनवायरमेंटचें आमी संरक्षण करतात मागतात देशभर रक्षा करतात ते एनवायरमेंट प्रोटेक्शन कायदोय बी राजीव गांधीन हाडिल्लो आनी म्हणून ताजे आमी उपकारी आसात।
आणि खऱ्या अर्थाने त्यांनी ज्या त्यांच्या कारकिर्दी भितर जे पावलां मारलात ती त्या पावलाक लागून अनेक आमचे भारत फुडें गेल्ले आसाच पण त्याच बरोबर एक वर्ल्डाक आख्या जगाक त्यांचे एक मोठी त्यांनी नावलौकीक कमयल्ली आसा आणि असली व्यक्ती आयज आमचे फुडें ना पण त्यांनी जे केल्ले कार्य जे आसा अनमोल अशें कार्य जे आसा हे आमच्या दोळ्या फुडें आसा आणि त्या लक्षांत घेवन आमी फुडें सरतात आणि खरोखरूच त्यांचे कंट्रिब्युशन जे आसा हे भारताक एक मोठे कंट्रिब्युशन ज्यांच्या खातीर आमी आयज गर्वान हांगा ताड मारून जगतात।
प्रुडंटा खातीर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुकाराम मराठे।
पर्रीकारा खातीर आतां माविनूय प्रचाराक देवला। पणजे पर्रीकार ना म्हळ्यार 7000 लीड काडटलो। नवो रेकॉर्ड करतलो म्हूण बीजेपीचो आमदार मंत्री माविनान दावो केला। 2 ते 3 काँग्रेसीचे आमदार काँग्रेसीत घुस्मटतात ते आतां बीजेपीत येवंक तयार आसात। मात बीजेपी खंय तसले गजालीक सध्या उर्बा दिवंक सोदिना। माविन आतां काँग्रेसीची स्कॅमां काडटा।
It looks like it is going to be a clean sweep for our BJP candidate Shri Manohar Parrikar, and it is not simply that I can say it is a sweep. There is a lot of things that people have to consider and they have considered, which I believe. First of all, a person who has sacrificed his tenure as a Union Defence Minister with the budget of several lakh crores and come down to manage Goa, which hardly has a budget of about 16,000 crores, and it was all done for the sake of Goa, for the sake of Goans, because it was the demand of our alliance partners that only if he heads the government that they will be willing to support. He will, mark my words, he will win by more than 7,000 margin, because my calculation, I cannot hide facts. I can safely say there are more than, at the moment, 2 or 3 people who are already feeling suffocated who want to come this side. But it is not the BJP policy to encourage defections. Being BJP, if they do something on their own, it is up to them. As you have seen, one person has done it and he is contesting the election. Yes, our Honorable Chief Minister has said that within 3 years, he is finding a solution. They will no more be in the Mandovi. So very clearly he has specified. You come to any scandal that took place in Goa, the biggest scandals that took place, who was it that brought these scandals? Mining scam, which was the biggest scam, was it not a congressman? Was not the SEZ where more than 40 lakh square meters were blocked? Till today they are blocked. They are not available to industry. to put up industry where unemployment problem would have solved. Who is responsible? It is in the Supreme Court. So who gave them that land? Only when a big noise was made by the activists and the whole of Goa and by Manohar Parrikar himself, the whole thing came to a standstill.
घेऊया एक ब्रेक.